learned how to say breakfast. We learned how to say lunch. Today, we're going to be learning how to say, yes, in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have akşam yemeği. Akşam yemeği. Akşam yemeği, you got it. It's a dinner in the US or supper in the UK. Let's take a look at some phrases and then sentences. To cook dinner, again, light dinner or late supper. Let's see. Akşam yemeği pişirmek. Pişirmek, literally to cook. Yüngül akşam yemeği. Light dinner, yüngül, literally light. Gec akşam yemeği or gecikmiş means the one that was late. Akşam yemeği, you got that. Supper, dinner. Okay? Sentences. Əvvəlcə bazardan təzə tərəvəz aldım. Sonra ailəm üçün axşam yeməyi bişirmək üçün reseptə baxıb sakitcə mətbəxdə işlədim. Another long sentence, let's break it down.